Would you take me to your house and show me your favorite 5 fashion pieces?
What?
Would you take me to your house and show me your favorite 5 fashion pieces?
Crib is crazy. If you okay with coming to the hood,
Yeah.
I got a disclaimer that first.
Okay.
But if you cool with that, then we can go.
Okay. You don't got a bunch of niggas in your crib, right?
I don't know about a bunch of but I might have somebody there. You might see some shit in there. I ain't gonna lie. It's a little loud here sometimes. Welcome to the hood. Got the nice grandma auntie BT crib. Welcome.
Okay. Let me lock the door and shit.
Alright, so I'm gonna leave you to my room and shit. This is my man's. This is
Nice to meet you.
room. Oh, what's this? Wire. Room. Nigga. Black America flag. It's not too strained, but we here.
You can turn the music up a little bit.
At the working station.
Nah, yeah, this is the setup station. Let me take my shit off. Put my shit in the closet. And then oh, Mike. Smart. Is it okay if I spread my blanket out? Yeah, let me straighten out my room a little bit. Alright, yeah. I should not have fucked up, but let me spread my blanket out. Yeah.
For sure.
I wish I could smoke in my room, but right now, we still starting this shit, right?
What's your fashion take?
Fashion is really just you. It's not really a subject matter or a topic of things. It's really just an extension of you. I just see a lot of people not being themselves, so that's why a lot of people ain't fly. But, you know, distinguishability means fashion to me. Like, just being you is fashion.
What's the difference between fashion and style?
Fashion is more of an extension of oneself. Style is just how you put that fashion on.
So what would you say is you?
Swagger. That's really the best way to describe it. Swag. Style and the swag put together. Alright, man, let's start here. Welcome to my closet. Let's look at some of my favorite 5 fashion pieces. Alright, we're gonna start simple. Can't leave without. These are my babies right here. You got the cherry blossom, and then you got Batman and Black Cat. It's Batman. You see the big studs. Can't leave without. This is one. This is all one. This is not 2. This 1. Okay, let's go to it. Next one. Oh, I got a couple of my other favorites, but I think I'm gonna start with this right here. This is one of the last few jackets left on the market. It's HB Izzle. No, I love it. Can't leave without it. This is if I'm not mistaken, this one the 2010s era, but like I think 2012, 2014, somewhere around there. 2012 to 2015 era, but this is one of my favorites. Like wintertime, anytime, you can just throw this on, you swag. It's a little hot, no t-shirt in this, you swag out. Another favorite piece. Oh, my baby. I'm not wearing it today. Y'all lucky I'm not wearing it today. This is my 3rd favorite piece right here. This is the HBA lock chain. This is one of the only few that was made. This is a sample version. He did drop a released one, but this is before the release. I got the other one, but unfortunately, it's missing. Now we move into my 4th favorite piece. I wear this shit all the time. I can't leave it on. It's the minority sweater. This is my 4th favorite piece. I usually wear this shit all the time with everything because it's just black, and I wear black all the time. I just see the black bags and shit like that. It's pretty simple, calm, but it's the HBA Against Minority shit 2016 from the Pilgrim collection.
We might need you to throw that one on.
I could throw this on because y'all don't know nothing about this right here. Alright, for now, showing y'all my 4th favorite piece of some of my little vibes. Vibers. Okay, so my favorite piece, like favorite reason this is one of my favorite pieces just because of this. Like, you unzip it and it's a whole nother sleeve. But even if you want some, calm, that's why I wear this all the time. It's my everyday vibe.
It's really just like an oversized, oversleeve sweater. You could wear it extra long and have it draping, but I don't really be on that for real. I'm on swag for real. My son Shane, I'm saying my son, but Shane Oliver, the designer of this, he always be heavy on zippers. So like, you could get the Rick. I like Rick too, but like, I like this because this is more like my streetwear, what I grew up on. And he's just one of the few designers that really still incorporating intricate zippers throughout the pieces and shit like that. So that's what I fuck with, bro.
He shitted. He
This
shitted.
for the hood. This is minorities.
Against minorities.
This for the hood. This is hood drip, hood attire.
Not everybody can wear it.
Not everybody can wear it, yeah. Alright, so we get into my favorite piece right now. You know, I know y'all like these, man. I know y'all. But this not even them. This not even my favorite. I just want to flex real quick on y'all. But these right here though. These my shits right here. I can't give you the brand because they ain't no brand. This is just Swag R Us. Like niggas go to Toys R Us, get toys. This is Swag R Us. A couple people can find these, but I just want to tell y'all where to get them. I'm gonna just be real with y'all. You gotta find it, you gotta search, just like how I was searching. But these is one of them. I wear these just like every day. These is like literally your favorite boot, sneaker, footwear, anything. This is your favorite foot covers. This is everything for laundry. This is what I wear. Anytime, any day of the year, summertime, spring, fall, winter, word. And those are my 5 favorite pieces. The shit I wear every day, all the day. So like, I can't live without this shit. Like if I don't got none of this, it's nothing.
Appreciate you, my guy. Appreciate you for letting us into your space.
Listen, I usually don't do this, but hey, fuck it. Like, you say you want to see some swag, I'm sure you some swag.
I know you got more swag, but we're going to say that for the next time.
Yes, whole lot of swag.
We going to be back. If y'all want us back, spam the comments. We be back.
Appreciate it. Word, I appreciate you, bro.
Appreciate you. All right, bet, Brody.
Let me make sure I adapt it for real.
Yeah, for sure. All right, be safe, bro.